The ace for high-speed machining of aluminum, ProX Mill. Special clamping system of ProX Mill guarantees powerful mounting of insert under extremely high RPM. The multi-dimensional clamping face at the bottom of insert prevents the micro-vibration of the insert during high-speed processing. The buffed mirror face of ProX Mill insert demonstrates outstanding chip control and prevents built-up edge. An excellent surface finish of ProX Mill, made by high-rank angle insert, will satisfy customers' needs. Variety of nose R of ProX Mill insert offers wide coverage for effective shouldering and copying. Faster, safer, and more powerful. Carlo ProX Mill, the best in high-speed machining of aluminum.